We are walking on an ocean made of sand, searching for a treasure we can't hold in our hand. The sun is beating down, the hourglass breaks, counting every single breath that the silence takes.